Good morning, one and all present here. I am Sushil Joshi, and you're watching Math Magic. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about the Chapter 5, Class 5th Maths NCERT textbook. That is, Does It Look the Same? It is one of the most important chapter, as we have already studied the part first of this chapter. If you miss it, then please go through my channel and you will find it the part first, in which the mirror half is given to you. The concept is already discussed in a very broad way. Today we are going to learn few more concepts which are included in this chapter. So the first one is, look at this picture carefully. The first topic is given to us. Let's make the pattern from a drop of a color. As you know that you have drawn some beautiful pictures from the very first class 1. You will use different types of the colors, sketch colors, pencil colors and watercolors. So here we use the watercolor. We use a drop of a color and we put it on a paper. I have made these patterns from a drop of color. You can make them too. So the first one is pattern A is given to us. Look here, the pattern A. Here a line is drawn which divides the figure into two equal parts. This is first and this is second part, this line. So if these two parts are equal, then it is called as the mirror halves. Again we will revise it. If a figure is divided into two equal parts, I will write here, if a figure is divided into two equal parts where its shape, size and color is equal, then it is called as a mirror half. Look here, figure A carefully. So both the colors are same, size same, shape same. So these two parts are called as the mirror halves of each other. Again, in second figure, it is also equally divided exact. So what do we mean by the equally divided figure? Equally divided figure means which having the equal size, shape and color. That is called as the equally divided figure. The line which divides the figure into two equal parts, that line is called as the line of symmetry. So here there are two lines of symmetries. This is called as the line of symmetry. Again I repeat it. If a line divided the figure into two equal parts, then it is called as the line of symmetry. Here are the two line symmetries. Here is one line symmetry. Always remember that. The definition is very easy to understand, which gives you the concept in a very broad way. Now we turn toward the next topic, that is make your pattern. I hope this topic is very easy to understand. If you understand it very clearly, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make your pattern. Take a sheet of a paper like this, fold it into half in second step, then put a drop at the center, and you will find that again press the sheet of a paper like this, fold it twice and press it to spread the color, and the spread will color in this way. So you will find a beautiful pattern when you open the sheet of that paper. Try at your home. You must try. And you will find that you will get a very interesting and easy pattern. Can you cut this pattern in such a way that you will get two similar halves? In how many ways you can do it? So here in two ways we can find it, because there are two line symmetries. So in two ways we can easily divide this figure into mirror halves. I hope you will understand that there are two lines, that means two lines of symmetries are there. Now look at this pattern carefully. This line divides the figure, but if you find it, when I fold this paper in such a way that I will get this figure where these two parts are not superimposed with each other, that means they are not exactly matched with each other. How they look? Look here. We'll zoom it. You will find that these two parts are given to us. The first one is, this is line of symmetry, but not actually line of symmetry, because it is only divided into two parts, not equally. Look here. I will repeat it. This look like as a line of symmetry, but this is not actually a line of symmetry, because this is not equally divided into two parts. Why it is not equally? Look here. This portion. Again, look at this portion carefully. Here the figure is not exactly matched with each other. Again here also. So these two figures are not exactly matched, with each other. So they are not mirror halves. So I hope all of you understand it very clearly why these two figures are not called as a mirror half, because some part of the figure is outside of one figure. So what is given to us? I will read it. The dotted line divides the shape into two halves, but if you fold it along the dotted line, the left half does not cover the right half completely, so the two halves are not mirror half. So just I have written here why this is not called as a mirror half. So you will understand very clearly, I hope so. So we'll turn toward the next topic. Look here. Now look at the another shape. If you fold it along the dotted line, one half will cover the other half. Look at this portion carefully. If you fold along the dotted line, that means here you have to fold here dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. So the two here are mirror halves. Look here. If you observe this picture carefully, you will find that this line is called as line of symmetry. This is called as line of symmetry. Why this is called as line of symmetry? Because it divides it into the two equal parts. Here, look here, this portion and this portion will same. Again, this is same with this portion, and this is also same. If they fold, then they will get the shape like this, which exactly match. So this is called as a mirror half. Then turn toward the next topic. Look here. Now imagine these pictures. Again I will zoom it. So you will clearly find that this is a dotted line. Look here. This is a dotted line. If you find it, this picture is exactly divided into this part is matched with this part is matched with this part. So it is called as a mirror half. Again, look at this star. Star is divided. This part is matched with this part, and this part is exactly matched with this part. Again, this part matched with this part. So it is called as a mirror half. Mirror half. So in this way, you will get the different pictures in which you will get the mirror half. Now, on the next page, children need to understand that even though the shape is symmetric, symmetric means what? Which having the size and its shape is equal. What do you mean by an symmetric shape? Again, look here. Symmetric shape means what? The shape having size is equal. Now look here. If this triangle is given to us, if I divide it into two parts, and if these two parts are equal in shape and size, then it is called as the symmetric shape. Symmetric shape means what? The shape when divided, look here, when divided here, right, when divided, the shape when divided into two equal parts having the shape and size is equal, then it is called as the symmetric shape. Then it is called as the symmetric shape. So here the color and size is also equal. So I have already written here. Look here. Equal parts. What we have written, if a figure is divided into two equal parts, when its shape, size and color is also equal. So that is given to us here. Look here. Here color is also equal. That means that shape is called as the symmetric shape. Otherwise it is called as the asymmetric shape. So this part of the definition we have to use here in next page, that is on page number 73. Few figures are given to us. Look here. We'll zoom it so you can observe it carefully. Look at this picture carefully. This is the one kind of the figure is given to us. A dotted line is divided the figure into two parts. This part is matched with this part. This part is matched with this part, and again this part is matched with this part. So it figure completely matched with other part. So it is a mirror half. And you write here S. You write here S. But in second question, observe the second question carefully. You will find that this portion is larger than this one. Clearly you see that this is not divided into two equal parts, and also this part is not matched with this part, and this part is not matched with this part. If they folded with each other, that means the figure is not a symmetric. So these two parts are not a mirror half. So right here no. Right here no. Now look at this picture carefully. A leaf is. If you observe this leaf carefully, you will see that this part is larger and this part is smaller. Clearly these two parts are not equally divided. So this leaf is not in a mirror half position. So right here no. Right here no. So 3 number figure is no. Now look here. The fourth figure carefully. Again, what we have studied, mirror half means its shape, size and color is also equal, but in this figure the two colors are very different. Here is blue color and here is a white color. So though it is divided in half, but this figure is not a symmetric figure because the color pattern is different in it. So it is not called as a mirror half. So we write here no. I hope all of you understand this definition, in which shape, size and color is also equally required to make a mirror half. Now question number 5. Look here. We have asked only this kind of shape. Look here. We have asked only this star, not about the hexagon. So if we see that the line divides the star into two equal parts, That's why it is called as a mirror half. Yes, you can write here yes. Don't think about this rectangle. Don't think about the rectangle. Only you see the star is divided into two equal parts. Again, question number 6. If you see the question number 6 carefully, look here. Look at this picture carefully. This part, this line divide, this one match with this one match with this one, and again, if you find it, this one match with this one. So these two pictures are same, because in butterfly both the wings are the same on the same side. So that's why we write here yes. We write here yes. Now look at the figure number 7. Now see this figure number 7. You will find that this figure is equally divided. This part, this part is same with this part. Again, this part and this part is same. This part and this part is same. So it is in a mirror half position. So we write here yes for figure number 7. Yes for figure number 7. Now look at the figure number 8. Here clearly the figure is divided into the two equal parts. Rectangle is divided. Yellow and white color is equally divided. So there is no confusion. So we write here yes directly. Now look here. Question number 9. Sorry, figure number 9. Figure number 9. If you observe the figure carefully, you will find that the butterfly is not divided, because look here, this part is not matched with this part if they fold, and this part is not matched with this part. Again, this part is left out. So this figure we write here no, because it is not in the mirror half position. Clearly, figure number 10 also, look at this figure carefully. What we have studied, color and size is also equal. So if it is divided from here, the purple color will match with green color and green color with match with purple color. That's why these two colors are different and match with different color. So we write here this is not in mirror half. So we write here no, because color is also required to make a mirror half. The same color is also required. So if you want to make a mirror half, then this purple color will change to this green color. When here we got a green color, then we say that this figure is equally divided. Now clearly the circle is divided, but look here, this line is not a straight line. That's why it is not matched with each other. So we write here no. It is divided. Only this part will match this part, but this one, these two parts are left out. So this will not match with each other. That's why we write here no. Again, figure number 12. Here a triangle is given to us. Look here. But here a triangle is not given. So if they fold with each other, then this part will not match with this part. That's why it is not a mirror half. Again, see it carefully. The wings of the fish, you will find that these two wings, here the part is larger and here the part is smaller. So this will not match with each other. So right here, no, this is not in mirror half. Again, this will also not in a mirror half. So right here, no. No. Look at this 15th figure carefully. This part is matched with this part. Yes. This part is matched with this part. So right here, yes. Right here, yes. This is in a mirror half position. So in this way, you will see that there are different ways to write. Only you remember the definition, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to understand what is given to us. I hope you understand these kinds of the question. Now look here, mirror half games. Few interesting games are given to us and we have to find out the mirror halves for the following. Here is the picture of a dog. You can place a mirror on the dotted line, then the part of the dog to the right of the line will be hidden behind the mirror. What you will see is like A. Now look here, if you divide the dog of a picture from here, you will see the picture like this. This will give you the idea. So this is called as a mirror half. This is called as a mirror half. If you divide the line and the picture like this, then you will get the figure like this. If you place a mirror, then you will see both the parts are the equal. Now look at the figure in a white box on which the dotted line will keep you a mirror so that you will get a shape B. Also tell which part of the picture will be hidden when we keep the mirror on a dotted line. Now look here, you have to draw, if a mirror is placed from this figure, look here, to see whether these two parts are equal or not, we have to place a mirror from here, like this, and you will see that these two figures are equal. So this is called as a mirror half. Like this you have to divide. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. Look here, this part, you will see this part of the figure. This part, not this part. This is hidden part. You will only see this part of the figure here. Now make a line on a white box to show where you will keep the mirror to get the picture in next to it. Look here. To get the pictures like this, if you want to get a picture like this, this picture is given to us and you have to find out. So first I will place a line. Look here. First you place a line. Like this. This is a bigger line. Or you take like this. You can draw it like this also. I hope this line is visible. You have to draw a line like this. This is a line. This line divides a mirror half. Look at, your picture falls to your left hand side. That means a mirror is placed on this place, this point. Mirror is placed on this point and the original picture is on your left hand side. original picture. Look here. So where you have to draw, look here, the like this part you have to take it from this, the line will appear like this. Some white part is also given, and from this straight point and from this point like this, you have to choose the straight line like this. Choose the straight line because some white part is also, look at this is a white part. Here the white part is also we get from here, and this portion is nothing but this portion. Look here, this portion. So that's why you have to place a mirror like this, and you will get, look here, this part. Observe this part carefully. This one you will get this one. Also you choose look here, we'll draw it again. If you have any difficulty, then we take the shape. First we observe the shape carefully. Take red color, then shape from here. Look here. Like this. Look here, you have to draw a line like this, then definitely you will get a color line. Look here, this portion you have given, this portion is given to you, again this one here. So draw a line like this, you will get definitely a figure like this. You will get this figure if you draw a line like this. Again look here, first you draw a mirror half to find out whether the line is draw a line like this, you will get. Now look here, that means this is your original picture from the left hand side. The picture to your left hand side, the picture to your left hand side is the original picture, and you place a mirror here, mirror, and you will get the right hand side picture. So how you will, look here, this complete portion is given to us. This part is complete. Look here, I write here circle, this part is complete. That means you have to place somewhere here. The line is placed here, somewhere here. So you will get the picture like this. I hope all of you understand how the figure is given to us. Is it clear? Now see here, this picture is given to us. First, to find out the line of symmetry, only do one thing, find out whether which part of the picture is given to us. Now look here, divide this into two parts, insert a line, we take red color from here, look here, this is a line, this is a line of symmetry. First draw this, find out this is original part, and this is mirror part. So Here the upper part is original part. That means from middle somewhere the line is given to us. Look here, the neck is given to us. Just below the neck a line is drawn. That means we have to draw a line just below the neck of a, that means from somewhere here we have to draw it. Look here, this is, so in this way you can draw this and you will get this one. I hope all of you understand how to draw the line symmetry. Now again, this is simple. What is the first step? Draw a line and divide it into the two equal parts. So from here, look here, I have drawn a line. So which part? The part of a right is original part. Look here, the part here is a right part, original part. From somewhere it is the half part. Look here, again what is given to us? The half part. This part is given to us. That means you have to choose this part only. From here you have to cut a line and this part must be included. This corner, look here, this corner must be included. That's why you have to draw such a line in which this corner will be taken from here. So we draw a line from somewhere in such a way that this corner we take here, and you will get a shape like this. Look here, you will get a shape like this. Try to draw and learn it how we draw the figure. I hope all of you understand how we draw it. Now look here, now we turn toward the next topic. Now Venki has made a red and white shape. Make a line on white box where you will keep a mirror to get that shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture to next it. Now we have to draw a line such a way that we will get a picture in a next box. The first is given to us. So what is our first step? Draw a straight line from middle. Look here, we'll draw it. From here a line we will draw it. This line will divide the shape into two equal parts. We will get the mirror half. Look here. Now in these pictures we have to draw it. In these pictures we have to draw it. So what we do here, first observe the figure carefully. This figure is given to us. That means from here also the line is given. First draw the line of symmetry. So this is our actual line of symmetry. Look here, actual line of symmetry. That means how many parts are given? This is right part. Look here, right part is the original part. Observe it. This right part, look here, this part is matched with this part. So that here, so this white part is given to us, and this somewhere this white part is also needed. That means this brown part is also needed. So from somewhere here you have to draw the line like this, because look here, this part is completely matched with this part. This part is matched with this part. Again this part is matched with this part. So here this line is exactly matched with each other. I hope you will understand this part of the chapter carefully, and we will stop here you do this at your home. This is for homework, and we will see the next topic in next lecture. Thank you very much. And again, if you like the video very much, then don't forget to subscribe Math Magic. Thank you.